Any tips for wholesaling along college classes? Nadar, I wholesaled at the University of Florida in my dorm room, 6 figures a year, cold calling 2 to 7 p.m. So if I could do it, I personally believe that you can do it. I truly believe if you find the time, this is going to be controversial. It's going to be a very controversial statement to say, but in my personal opinion, I don't think college is that tough. I was never a straight A student in college because I was wholesaling, but I got my degree. And I basically spent no time studying for my classes. I did not care about college. I got a full ride. That's why I was there. And I was only like I left college after 2 semesters to come back home and wholesale in Port St. Lucie because there's too much money when I was 18 in wholesaling not to do it. So I was virtually wholesaling from my dorm room. So you can easily do it. My tips for you though, if you're like wholesaling in college, so basically like I was literally maybe doing college work like 5 hours a week. I got a pretty good memory, so it was pretty easy for me to do. But I dedicated the rest of the time to wholesaling real estate. So like 50 hours into wholesaling, and then like 5 hours I put in there, and then whatever else I had to do through that day. Always worked out. Didn't cut that out. Always had friends. So don't cut like your emotional well-being out of it. But that's just man to man here talk. But wholesaling, basically, anytime you're not doing college stuff, I mean, everyone loves to party, but hey, 2 to 7 p.m., start cold calling. Like cold call that Zillow list is absolutely for free and just keep going. Get better and better at talking to sellers. Cold calling from 2 to 7 p.m. in college changed the trajectory of my sales skills. You read all the sales skills you want, getting in front of actual sellers and talking to them face to face and actually learning how to talk to people, especially through cold calling, absolutely changed my life.